Hello guys, welcome to AG Production. I am back again with another 100% legit online earning tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how you can earn 100% free Litecoin using mobile app. In the upcoming video I will also show you my payment proof. This app is similar to the previous app that I shared with you in the previous tutorial. If you haven't watched that video you can watch using link in the description. This video is going to be interesting because in this video I am going to show you how you can earn Litecoin cryptocurrency just by spinning. This is the new and best way to claim free Litecoin. It's just like you're playing a casino game. The game is really easy to play, with great rewards every hour and additional bonuses. And every week they send Bitcoin Cash directly on the blockchain to your Litecoin wallet. There are also many other methods available that you can use to earn. So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. The first method you can use to earn Litecoin is hourly bonus. In hourly bonus you need to claim Litecoin rewards with free spins on the hourly jackpot table. If you don't hit the prize you want, you can watch a short ad and get extra spins for more chances. The whole app is 100% free to use, they never ask for anything. They just simply send your Litecoin for 100% free. The second method you can use to earn Litecoin is offer wall. In offer walls you have to complete different offers and surveys to earn Litecoin. The third method you can use to earn Litecoin is bonus claim. In bonus claim you have to watch ads. Between jackpot claims, you can earn bonus Litecoin with the bonus wheel too. Simply watch a video ad and claim some extra Litecoin. There are also many other methods available in this amazing app. Install it and explore yourself. In the setting in payment threshold you can set your minimum payout or withdrawal. Because the payout is sent automatically on every week. So when you will reach your set payment threshold that amount of payment will be sent automatically to your wallet. You can also earn Litecoin by referring others. You have to share your referral link to others and when they will join using your referral link you will also earn 10% of everything when the user you invited earns. So this is it guys. In the upcoming video I will also show you my payment proof. I assure you guys this app is 100% legit and completely free. Join now so you can also earn some Litecoin. Now if you have decided to earn some Litecoin you can download this app using link in the description. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Feel free to like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.